Hello, teacher Linda. Today, I will talk about what I would do as commander of the National Army with the budget of the Ministry of Defense. Well, first, it should be mentioned that the budget of the burn has been affected by the current pandemic. That is happened because many of the recursions are diverted to the fight against the virus. Because of this, the defense budget of reduced. Well, I would invest in the budget on a radar system which helps monitor the borders to control sovereignty, and also training for military medical personnel to contribute to the fight against COVID. Well, teacher, it's all. Thank you for you listen to me.